How many ways are there to fry bacon? Depending on whether or not you like your bacon fried crispy or you like your bacon soft. And they say the best way to cook bacon is this way and that way. Some people would say you should fry your bacon in a hot pan. Some people would say put your bacon in a pan that's room temperature. And then also, some folks might say, why don't you just put your bacon in the oven and fry it? Well, that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. Some people might say, depending on how you fry your bacon will determine how your bacon turns out, whether it's crispy or soft. Or does it just really depend on the type of bacon that you're frying, whether or not it fries crispy or it just fries as a soft slice of bacon? I'm about to test these theories. And yes, today I'm talking about bacon. If I would have kept this slice of bacon in the frying pan any longer, it would have gotten crispy, all right. Crispy as in burnt. Just so that you all know, this is my first time frying bacon in the oven. I decided to do this first with my YouTube subscribers. I'm now wondering if I would have placed the bacon on wire racks, would that have made the bacon crispy in the oven? I'm going to have to investigate that further in a future video. Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who don't know how to cook or afraid to get into the kitchen and learn, this is how you do it. You just get in there and you just start cooking. You learn something and then you build on that technique and knowledge. Now for this particular brand of bacon, none of it fried crispy. It has the consistency of probably frying a slice of ham. So in one of my upcoming videos, I have a particular brand of bacon in mind, and I'll show you that that bacon will fry crispy. But don't get me wrong, this bacon is superb. It's very good. It's just that if we have, like myself, the crispy lovers out there, this doesn't fry up crispy, but it's still very tasty and flavorful bacon. So when it came to the pan being at room temperature before adding the bacon, or the pan being hot and then adding the bacon, it's a tie. They're both the same. Neither one gave me crispy bacon, which I like. I like crispy bacon. But the soft bacon, it can be used also for what I'm about to use it for at the end of this video. If you're one of those people who love soft bacon, this bacon is the bacon for you. I normally use this bacon. I normally dice it up and use it in my cabbage recipe. But for those of y'all who love soft bacon, this bacon has a lot of great flavor. As far as the texture, has good texture. And so I would go ahead and give this bacon still a thumbs up for those of y'all who like your bacon soft. It's very good. To all my subscribers, welcome back. And thank you for continuing to support my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Go ahead, I'll wait. Now that we got that out of the way, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way, you're going to be notified when I upload that next video. I've been wanting a BLT sandwich, so this video is right on time. And watch till the end to see how delicious it looks. Here, you take the first bite. Yes, just like I thought, it took me to my happy place.